Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. That's right, Bill Family. Today we are going to Cosley Zoo with our cousins. Stay tuned and we will give you a tour around Cosley Zoo. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Where? Oh, there's two there.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, go. You're so cute. Okay. Hold Riley, friend. You can hold Riley. Oh, I mean Shane. See, that's a nice one. You can push it. Yep.
I need to look on Marketplace for a double screw.
That's a nice one. Ooh, there's two ducks there, friend. Ah.
What do you think of the ducks?
Eee, that's a dirty water, friend. Here. There's a duck over there. Okay.
Yeah.
There's more duckies over there too.
Yep.
Oh, you're pointing with the wheel? There goes another ducky.
Oh, look at that friend. There's more there. Oh, yep. There's three. Come here. Oh, look at that. There's more here. Go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you can feed the ducks here, friend. There are lots of people here today. Okay, good. Oh, that's right. Okay. How is it? Yeah, Sep, there's goats in here. The Nubian goat. Yeah, goatie. Yeah. Yeah, they're eating hay. That's okay. Yeah.
Cute.
They are cute.
They are so cute.
Okay, move there. Look at them. They have a fan.
Yeah.
They're hot. Okay, go there. What's in here? Oh, sheep, friend. Look at that. Yep. Why is he's in the cage? That is someone. Oh, this is their water. The horses. Yep. There's one there. Yeah. Here, let's see the cow. Ooh. Yes. Then we have a party here. Here, there's one pony there.
He's over there.
Oh, there's a llama over there, friend, too.
Yeah, he's cute like the safari.
Uh-huh.
He's cute like the safari.
Uh-huh. Okay, go there. You want to touch it?
Yeah, we're at this here.
Oh, yeah. Yep, you can touch it. Yeah. Nice. Is it soft? Here's the llama, friend. Oh, that's a cute.
You are so cute.
We like llamas, right, Pumpkin?
Where did we saw llama? Oh, the safari. Oh. Hey, what's in here, friend?
Oh, those
I don't know what's those.
are baby llamas.
That's not a llamas.
Over there.
That's like dogs.
Yeah, we'll walk around.
You can touch. You're here, friend. Oh.
What's the other one?
Nice. Oh. Hello. Look at your bangs. It's a bangs, friend.
His tail.
Oh yeah, he's wiggling her tail. You want to see the pigs? Let's go. Oh, where's the pigs? Oh, here, friend. It's black. Luna's pig is white.
It's more like a pig.
No. It's hot. Are you ready for lechon?
Are you ready for lechon?
Hey friend, that's cute. How many? Only one? Uh-oh.
That one has red eyes.
Yeah, that's a cutie one.
Wonder if they bite.
Uh-oh. Look at it's white.
He's so
Oh, look at friend.
Oh, there's no one in there.
Oh, there's one there.
The brown one, the white one.
I can't see. Is it cute?
Yeah.
You better bring that bunny is clean. Your bunny is so dirty. Say hi. You want bunny, friend? I mean the real bunny.
No.
No.
We're also really
Understand. Where's the other one? Oh, he's hiding. That's a rabbit.
Now you're waving.
Yeah. Okay, where are we going? To the birds?
I feel ashamed. They close this.
Yeah.
Bye, bunny.
Bye, bunny.
It's same as a pet.
Oh, this is area. Oh no, it's closed.
We need another one when you go.
Here, friend, screech out. It's over there.
Is there anything?
Yeah, it's over there. It's on the other side. See, you see, it's moving. Okay, you go to daddy.
Oh, go on the land after the top of the square.
Okay, let's go. Move here. There, you see the one on the owl. Here. Oh, there's two owls, friend. Yep. You see, friend? Oh.
There's two owls up here. You wanna go over there? I don't want to sit right there.
Oh, way up on top there.
Yep.
I see it. I'll go. Look, it's flying.
Ooh.
You see it fly?
It's even Oh, I see some there too.
How many birds you see? Oh, there's one there. What's that? Oh, look at his wings. Is that a vulture? Here's the deer. Over there.
That's a safari.
Ah. That one, but look at that wings. See? Is it a vulture?
I don't know. What's the sign on
Uh-huh.
Oops, we're in people's way. Gotta move over, Arlen. I gotta move this cart out of the way. Look at the deer.
Yeah, nice.
Over laying under the tree up there.
Big raccoon. There, you see? It's in the water. Oh my gushy. Oh, there's one there, friend, in the branch, friend. You see? There, oh. There, in the top. Look at the raccoon hand in the water.
Oh, yeah. I went to authorities.
Yeah, that's true.
He's taking a bath. He's hot
Yeah,
too.
he's hot. Oh, he's getting something. Smells like a skunk.
Yeah, it does.
Are they?
Huh? That's a skunk.
The Ocean Adventure. Oh, there's a snake over there. That's there pigs. Of course they are spit.
They're glitter.
Yeah, they're glittery.
Little snake.
There's a rainbow one over there.
Over there, here. Oh, you can touch it. You're just pig.
Oh, mommy, this is my bear and the tiny one says.
Yeah.
He says bear.
Oh, that's a cute bear. Here's the panda. A panda. Oh.
No.
Oh. It's a book. A sticker pad.
No, Mom said we're not gonna buy anything.
Yeah.
What's that in your hand?
It's a panda. You just return it then. It's okay. Here's the raccoon with a baby.
Where's the baby?
Is it raccoon or squirrel?
It's a raccoon. One is on the back.
Oh, here. Oh, look at this.
It's a unicorn. Yeah, unicorn.
No, that's a
Llama or unicorn?
llama.
This one, oh, elephant.
Ah.
Huh? This one.
What's this?
What's this?
It's
Horse?
a red fox.
You can get one.
Here, talk.
Pumpkin.
What?
You can get one if you want.
Oh,
One.
hey friend.
Ooh, I'll take this one.
Oh, here's a cute little one. Oh, there's one alone here. Right now.
Oh, what is this? Here's Tok Tok.
Let's talk.
Oh, look, it has eyeliner.
Yep.
Hey, Mommy. There's another llama here.
Yep.
How much is that?
Friend, oh, look at this cute rooster.
Ah, you're still cute.
I like that pig. Oh, look at that pig there.
It's It's Arkansas.
Where?
Hi, Arkansas. This is Arkansas's brother.
Oh, okay.
This is Arkansas. Got him.
What's this? Wheels. Oh, the wheels. Oh, here's the alligator. Alligator.
Oh, that's cute.
What's this?
Oh, I don't know.
What's this? I don't know. Oh my gosh, the dinosaurs.
I've never heard of that one.
We have finished our Cosley Zoo adventure. So now we're gonna eat lunch at McDonald's. Goodbye, everybody, and we'll see you at McDonald's. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in McDonald's. Bye.